what's up guys, good morning, and right now we are on the Harley Davidson, and guys, you can see I have installed a MotoMiu twin exhaust on Harley Davidson Street 750. Now we are going to test the sound of this twin exhaust. So MotoMiu twin exhaust is here. Let's see how loudest it can sound. Start. Guys, it's very loud and I can feel a vibration. It's like I'm standing beside it and I'm vibrating. So
रैप करो थोड़ा.
hope you guys enjoyed the video and the sound of the twin exhaust which I installed on my Harley Street 750. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch my next video. Guys, see you soon, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you.